Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's conversation, a young girl shares the excitement of making a new friend at school, and her mom encourages building connections through a family dinner. It's a lovely moment about friendship, family, and welcoming new people. Let's get started.
Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
Yeah, that's why we're staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here yet.
Now quiz time. What happened at school today? Who lives in Seattle, Washington? What do Jane and Cindy have in common? What does Jane's mom want to do? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little slice of everyday life, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming moments like this. Let us know in the comments, how was your first day at a new school? See you in the next one.